Welcome to part 9 of our educational journey. In this installment, we'll be exploring countries starting with the letter I. Iceland, Indonesia, Iran, Ireland, and Italy. Get ready for another exciting adventure as we delve into the rich cultures, histories, and traditions of these fascinating destinations. Iceland was settled by Norsemen in the 9th century and was later ruled by Norway and Denmark before gaining independence in 1944. It is known for its unique geological features, including volcanoes, geysers, and glaciers. Traditional outfits. Traditional Icelandic clothing includes the lopapeysa, a wool sweater with a distinctive pattern, often worn for warmth during cold weather. Historically, women also wore dresses called upplutur and men wore trousers called brok. Language. Icelandic is the official language. Food. Icelandic cuisine includes dishes like fermented shark, hakarl, dried fish, hardfiskur, lamb stew, kjötsúpa, and skyr, a type of yogurt. Did you know? Iceland is home to the world's oldest parliament, the Althing, which was established in 930 AD. Indonesia. History. Indonesia has a rich history of indigenous kingdoms, Hindu and Buddhist empires, and colonial rule by the Dutch. It gained independence in 1945 after World War II. Traditional outfits. Traditional Indonesian clothing varies by region, but includes garments like the batik, a fabric dyed with intricate patterns, and the kebaya, a blouse worn by women, often paired with a sarong or batik skirt. Language. Indonesian, Bahasa Indonesia, is the official language. Food. Indonesian cuisine includes dishes like nasi goreng, fried rice, satay, skewered and grilled meat, rendang, spicy beef stew, and gado-gado, vegetable salad with peanut sauce. Did you know? Indonesia is the world's largest archipelago, comprising over 17,000 islands. Iran. History. Iran, formerly known as Persia, has a long history dating back to ancient civilizations such as the Elamites and the Achaemenid Empire. It became an Islamic republic in 1979 after the Iranian Revolution. Traditional outfits. Traditional Iranian clothing includes garments like the chador, a full-body cloak worn by women, and the aba, a long cloak worn by men. The term Persian rug refers to the intricate carpets woven in Iran. Language. Persian Farsi is the official language. Food. Iranian cuisine includes dishes like kebab, grilled meat, rice pilaf, cello, stew, koresh, and saffron-flavored ice cream, bastani. Did you know? Iran is home to one of the world's oldest continuous major civilizations, with archaeological sites dating back over 5,000 years. Ireland. History. Ireland has a long history of Celtic settlement and later became Christianized by St. Patrick in the 5th century. It was ruled by Britain for centuries before gaining independence for most of the island in 1922. Traditional outfits. Traditional Irish clothing includes the tweed jacket for men and the Irish dance dress for women, often adorned with Celtic knotwork or other traditional patterns. Language. Irish, Gaeilge, and English are the official languages. Food. Irish cuisine includes dishes like Irish stew, colcannon, mashed potatoes with cabbage, soda bread, and seafood chowder. Did you know? Ireland is known as the Emerald Isle due to its lush green landscapes. Italy. History. Italy was the center of the Roman Empire, which was one of the most powerful civilizations in history. After the fall of Rome, Italy was fragmented into various states until the unification of Italy in the 19th century. Traditional outfits. Traditional Italian clothing varies by region but includes garments like the pizzo, lace, for women, and the abito sardo, Sardinian costume, for men. Historically, peasants wore garments made from wool or linen. Language. Italian is the official language. Food. Italian cuisine is renowned worldwide and includes dishes like pasta, pizza, risotto, and gelato. Did you know? Italy is home to the largest number of UNESCO World Heritage Sites, with over 50 recognized cultural and natural landmarks. To all our viewers, thank you for taking the time to watch our video. Your support means the world to us, and we're thrilled to have you join us on our journey of discovery. Your curiosity and enthusiasm drive us to continue exploring and sharing the wonders of our world. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures ahead. There's still so much to explore together, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thank you again for being a part of our community. Happy exploring!